guys? I'm Jason, this is Freebird Garage, and today we are doing something much different from the past 2 weeks that we've been riding around the motorcycle, talking about different things, talking about how much I love the FXR. Now, we're going to install something for the FXR to make it even better than what it was. Now, one part that I have never really touched on this bike that I've always thought about doing, never really could decide on the brand I really wanted to go with, and this opportunity came up, and I am very thankful by Auxito LED Lighting for allowing me to try this out and put this on my bike, and that is changing, of course, the headlight. I've never really have thought about changing it for some reason. I've always just rode it how it is and was pretty happy with it, enjoyed the looks, but it's time. It's time for a change. That's what we're doing today. We're gonna make this headlight 10 times brighter, or at least it should be, because the one that we have on there has gotta be at least maybe a total of 50 lumens, and this one, woo, we're gonna get into specs of this bad boy and get it changed out so we can be seen from the moon to Uranus to Saturn, whichever you think. Thank you, Auxito. Let's get it done. All right, let's crack these open, check them out. Very tight sealed. That means that these bulbs aren't rolling around, smacking the side like blister packs would from other bulbs, prematurely breaking it. And we have a manual, of course, pretty standard, and some gloves. All right, so obviously when you handle bulbs, you want to make sure that you have your gloves, because your oils from your skin that get on the bulbs can blister and pop the glass prematurely, so we definitely don't want that to happen. But these are LED, so they don't have glass on them. They have like those little chips, which essentially is the light. But just to be on the safe side, I want to make sure that I have these gloves on, so I'm handling it correctly. If they put them in there, I'm assuming that's what you want. So looking at the bulb itself, looks pretty sweet. I think they call this aviation aluminum that they put on here, so it's very lightweight. And then the design for the bulb itself has this narrow way right here. It allows it to have a better radius of the light when it's shining once it's plugged in. So that's one of the designs they have on this bulb to help make it even brighter with the LEDs. And as well, to help it cool down, they have this sweet fan system, so that when it plugs in, it's like literally like a mini fan that turns on to help cool down the whole bulb itself. And I believe it turns on periodically throughout the time when it's driving, so when it feels the heat, it'll actually turn on and help cool it off. It's awesome. All right, before we go and install these bulbs on the headlight, the difference between these obviously are going to be shown. I'm going to have the before and after of the old headlight plus these on there, is of course how many lumens this new bulb has. The old one ranges right around 600 to 1,000 lumens. Now, if you were to upgrade to an LED standard light bulb like a Daymaker or a Moon's MC or that style of 2 bulb LEDs with the small ones around there, you'd hit right around 2,300 to 3,500 lumens. This one head bulb that this comes with is gonna hit 10,000 lumens. Should make a massive difference. So let's check it out. All right, real straightforward. There's 1 bolt or 2 bolts on the bottom ring. We're gonna remove this here. Second one here loosened up. All right. Pull it out of the suction area. There we go. Bam. Super easy. Just unplug. Pull this rubber off here. Just like that. Move the pins. Pull that back. The old one there. New one fits just like a glove right on there. Get the new pins stretched over. There we go. Nice. Just like that. Plug it back in. Only goes one way. All right. Slide it back into its spot. All right, there's the old bulb. There is the new light. All right, guys, so there it is, the brand new light, way brighter than the old one. I mean, it is literally, like I said before, night and day difference. Anything above this is gonna be a big difference, but 10,000 lumens, it lit up the entire garage when I was in here, at least the back wall itself. Thanks again, Auxito, for sending these. I appreciate it, and as always, guys, if you have made it all the way through, I would greatly appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace!